Hi Year Sixes, when you savour something, it means we appreciate it. You can do it with a drink. If you mindfully eat or drink something, rather than just gulp it down or just chew it and swallow it and that's done, you just take a little bit longer over that moment. And when you're in Year 6, in this last summer term, there'll be many things that you do that you won't get to do again. So things like assemblies, leavers assemblies, performances that you're doing. It could be sports days, it could be get-togethers, it could be residential trips. There's quite a few things that happen in Year 6 that are unique and special. Things in the classroom, bits of time when you're more relaxed together and you laugh a little bit more and you have more maybe art times or music. There's various things that Year 6 classes do, aren't there? And today's video is about savouring a moment. So how do we do that? You stop still, you stop doing, you stop moving, you stand still and look around, maybe smile at some of your friends and take in that moment, the sights that are around you, the joy or the boredom or the excitement or the annoyingness of what you're doing in that moment. Remember all those feelings, we can welcome them all in. Take a moment to remember that memory, that time. Because in a year's time, 2 years' time, or even in my case, like 30 years' time, you'll look back on those memories and think that was a good time, I enjoyed that. So this term, make sure you take those moments to pause and appreciate exactly what it is you're doing, because you're making memories and they're the nice things, they're the bits that you'll probably enjoy and look back on with a fond heart. I wish you all well and I hope that you enjoy lots of moments from this last summer term in Year 6.